Hello, word enthusiasts. Let's journey back to a fascinating era in English literature, the Neoclassical Period. It stretched from 1660 to around 1800. Sometimes called the Restoration Period or the Augustan Age, it marked a time of dramatic change in England. Think of it as a cultural reboot after years of upheaval. Picture this England in the 1600s. It's a time of political and religious turmoil. The monarchy is overthrown, then restored. The Great Fire of London in 1666 devastates the city. Amidst the chaos, a new social order emerges, one obsessed with reason and stability. The Glorious Revolution of 1688 further cemented these ideals, ushering in a period of relative calm. At the heart of this era was King Charles II, a charismatic figure who returned from exile to reclaim the throne. Charles II cultivated an image of merriment and indulgence, but beneath the surface lay a shrewd politician. His reign was marked by both progress and intrigue, reflecting the complex duality of the age. The Neoclassical period witnessed the rise of literary giants. John Dryden, appointed poet laureate, championed the heroic couplet and penned influential satires. John Milton, though blind, composed the epic poem Paradise Lost, exploring themes of good, evil, and free will. Behn, a trailblazing female playwright, challenged societal norms with her witty and often scandalous comedies. Section 5. The Augustan Age: Refinement and Reason in Poetry. Poetry flourished during this time, reflecting the era's emphasis on reason and order. Think of it as the age of elegance and wit. Poets like Alexander Pope and Jonathan Swift used satire to expose hypocrisy and critique society's follies. Their sharp words and clever rhymes made them the literary rock stars of their day. Section 6. Heroic couplets and mock epics, the Reign of Satire. The heroic couplet, two rhymed lines of iambic pentameter, became the dominant poetic form. It was perfect for delivering witty observations and scathing critiques. Mock epics, like Pope's The Rape of the Lock, used elevated language to satirize trivial events, exposing the absurdity of social customs. Section 7. The rise of the novel, a new literary landscape. While poetry reigned supreme, a new literary form emerged, the novel. Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe and Samuel Richardson's Pamela captivated readers with their realistic portrayals of everyday life and emotional journeys. This marked a shift from the fantastical tales of old to stories that resonated with the experiences of ordinary people. Section 8. Fakes, Façades, and the Neoclassical Ethos. The Neoclassical period was obsessed with appearances. From the elaborate wigs and powdered faces of the aristocracy to the carefully crafted public images of writers and politicians, facades were everywhere. This fascination with artifice reflected a deeper anxiety about authenticity and truth. Writers like William Congreve and William Wycherley used their plays to expose the hypocrisy and deceit lurking beneath the surface of polite society. Section 9. Legacy of the age-enduring influences. The Neoclassical period left an indelible mark on English literature. Its emphasis on reason, order, and wit continues to influence writers today. The satirical edge of a Jonathan Swift or the elegant prose of a Joseph Addison reminds us of the power of language to both delight and provoke. So the next time you encounter a biting satire or a perfectly crafted heroic couplet, remember the legacy of the Neoclassical period, a time of fakes, facades, and literary brilliance.